PageWiz is a landing page software that promises to simplify the process of creating high-converting pages for your business. But before you decide to buy, there are a few things you need to know, especially when compared to other options in the market. First up, PageWiz is known for its intuitive drag-and-drop builder. This makes it easy for even beginners to create professional-looking pages without any coding knowledge. But keep in mind, while it's beginner-friendly, other tools like Unbounce and Lead Pages offer more advanced customization options. If you're looking for flexibility in design, you might find those options more suitable. Next thing to consider is the variety of templates. PageWiz provides a solid library, but compared to competitors, the selection can feel a bit limited. Tools like Instapage and Lead Pages give you more templates tailored for different industries, which can save you time when designing pages. If you're looking for a larger selection right off the bat, those might be better. The third thing to note is the speed of the pages you create with PageWiz. The platform does a great job in optimizing loading times, which is crucial for conversions. However, some competitors, like Unbounce, are known for even better performance in this area, especially on mobile. The fourth thing you need to know is PageWiz A/B testing capabilities. The platform does offer testing, but it's somewhat basic compared to others. If you rely heavily on split testing for your marketing campaigns, you might want to consider alternatives like Optimizely, which offer more detailed insights and advanced testing features. The fifth thing is their integrations. PageWiz integrates with popular tools like Google Analytics and MailChimp, but if you use specific tools or CRMs, you might run into some limitations. Competitors like Lead Pages and Unbounce offer a wider range of integrations, making them a better choice if you need seamless connections with your existing systems. Now, let's talk about pricing. PageWiz has a reasonable price point, especially if you're just starting out, but when compared to others like Lead Pages or Instapage, it can become a bit more expensive as you scale up. If you're looking for more advanced features like custom domains, those costs add up quickly on PageWiz. Another thing worth mentioning is the customer support. PageWiz offers solid support, but it's not as fast or accessible as what you get with some competitors like Unbounce, which offers 24/7 support and more robust resources. So, if you need immediate assistance, you might want to consider other options. The next thing is the mobile optimization. PageWiz does offer mobile-friendly templates, but some competitors do a better job at allowing you to optimize your pages for various devices, especially for mobile-first strategies. If your audience is primarily on mobile, you might want to explore more advanced mobile optimization features with tools like Instapage. Another important point is the user interface. PageWiz UI is simple, but it's not as polished as what you'll find with some competitors. If you prefer a more modern, sleek design for your landing page builder, tools like Unbounce and Instapage provide a more visually appealing experience. One thing that stands out with PageWiz is the ease of use when setting up forms. It's really easy to set up contact forms and integrate them with your email marketing software. However, competitors like Lead Pages provide more flexibility in customizing form fields and follow-up options, which might be important depending on your business needs. PageWiz also offers analytics, but compared to others, the data and reporting options are a little more limited. If you rely on deep analytics to drive your landing page strategy, other platforms, such as Unbounce or Instapage, might give you more insights to optimize your campaigns. The next thing is the lack of a free plan. PageWiz doesn't offer a free tier, which can be a deal breaker for those looking to test the platform before committing. Other competitors like MailChimp and Lead Pages offer a free version, so if you're on the fence, those might be better options to test without spending. Finally, while PageWiz is a solid landing page builder, it doesn't stand out as the top choice when compared to others in terms of advanced features and integrations. If you want a platform with more customization, faster performance, or more advanced testing tools, you might want to consider other options. All things considered, PageWiz is a good option if you're just getting started and want something simple and easy to use. But if you're looking for something more robust, consider trying our recommended solution, which offers a free trial and more advanced features to scale your business.